What is your emergency?
Yeah, my boyfriend just broke all the glass in my house and he punched me a bunch in the face and now he's threatening to kill himself.
What's the address?
1132 East Princeton Avenue.
Okay, and repeat the address.
1132 East Princeton Avenue.
Okay, you're calling from... So stay on the line with me, okay? And now tell me exactly what happened.
I don't know. I just told him to leave, and he said, I'm gonna leave. And he went downstairs, and I heard a bunch of glass break.
Okay.
And then he came upstairs, and I said, what is wrong with you? And he said, do you want to see somebody die? And I said, no.
Okay.
Why are you threatening to kill yourself?
Okay.
And I said, just leave. And I kicked him, and so he just punched me over and over and over.
Okay.
And I said, stop, it hurts. And then
okay.
he just took the knife and took it to his neck, and I just ran out of the house and called 911.
Okay. Okay, when did this happen? How many minutes ago?
I don't, 2, 3, 5.
Okay, no problem. Okay, and you said that he had a knife? What type of knife was it?
It's a half of a pair of scissors.
Okay. And
All
that
the
was the
glass
last
in my
thing you saw
downstairs
him
is
was he was
broken.
holding... Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on one second. I'm just making some notes for them, okay?
Dororean, Salt Lake City Police Department. Doors open. Put your hands up, buddy.
On your right.
Don't come off that porch.
Drop the knife.
Don't come off that porch.
Bill, if he goes back in, I'm going to hit him.
He's got a knife left hand. Go back, come out, drop the knife, and we can end this peacefully. We can end this peacefully. Come on, man, it's okay. We can end this peacefully. Come on, man. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. 2 knives. Hey, Dororean. Dororean, I'm glad you came out. Remember I was talking to you earlier? Don't come up anymore. Do me a favor and get down.
Let Hartley talk. Let Hartley talk.
Stop! Right there! Sit down, Dororean. Stop!
Let Hartley talk, Josh. Let Hartley
Dororean,
talk.
do me a favor. Sit down. Hey,
Hartley
Dororean. Do me a huge favor and sit down. Look at me
Wait
for
till
a second.
let Hartley talk.
Dororean, do me a favor and sit down. Will you sit down for me? I was speaking to you earlier. Dororean, it's not a time to play games right now, okay? Do me a favor and sit down. Dororean. Hey, Dororean, look at me for a second, okay? I want you to sit down so we can talk. You remember I said we're going to figure out what we're doing?
I got it.
You ready to go? Dororean, how long have you been here? You've been here about 3 months?
Josh, that's your LOE. Josh, that is your
Put
LOE.
it down right now.
Josh, let Hartley talk.
Put it down.
Let Hartley talk.
Put it down.
Josh, stop.
Dororean, look at me and have a seat. Have a seat. Give me and have a seat. Have a seat.
Stop.
DeLorean, look at me and have a seat. Have a seat.